This is your sign. Y'all, I just need a break, and I got you. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, if y'all don't know by now, y'all already know how I feel about y'all. Y'all know I love y'all, and I'm so glad that you're back. So today we are going to be getting into this UPART unit from Amazon. UPART unit. Yes, I have a wig in. Yes, I do, honey. Yes, I do. You know I keep y'all strapped with the Amazon hair units. If there's anything that y'all want to see, make sure you link it in the description below, and I'll try to make a review for y'all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video, you guys, about this UPART unit from Amazon. So this hair came packaged in this really cute pink package, obviously with some contents inside. Obviously, it was in an Amazon bag before I opened it, and it was actually wrapped in a pink bag even before that. So of course you get your wig. Mine was 16 inches in this case, if you guys wanted to know. You also get your weaving cap. I hate these caps, but and then you get some eyelashes, which were, you know, eyelashes. But what you guys are really here for is the wig, and this is what she was looking like straight out of the package. Wanted to show you guys the ends. The ends were really nice, other than them being thin, and so was the construction of the cap as well. It was just really neat, and nothing really seemed wrong with it or cheap about it at all. You do have these 4 clips so that you can attach it to the top of your head, and the combs in the wig. But that was basically it for the wig. We're definitely going to get into me installing it and me looking like a bozo, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so now let's get into me styling my hair. So first things first, before y'all say anything, I know I look hit right now. I know I look hit, but let me tell y'all, it takes a lot of courage to get in front of the camera, edit this whole video, and post it knowing I look hit. But I'm doing it for y'all, because I love y'all. Anyways, I decided to try and keep this as minimalistic as possible. So today, the only thing I'm going to be using is this comb, some heat protectant, possibly a brush, and my flat iron. So the first thing you want to do is start by portioning out the UPART portion of the wig. I just want to let you guys know that yesterday was wash day for me, so I have no products in my hair whatsoever when I'm doing this process for y'all. My hair might be a little, you know, a little puffy, but we gonna do the darn thing, you feel me? So I actually already went in and sectioned some portion for the front of my kind of like leave out area, just so I can have some hair in case I need to cover up the sides of the wig. And then finally, depending on how you want your hair personally under your wig, I'm just gonna take the rest of my hair and just put it in a low ponytail. I'm gonna try to get as flat as possible so it can be on the inside of the wig. Y'all, do y'all see this? This thing is off. This thing is so off. It's so bad. My U is so, it's like swinging to the left. That thing is swinging. It's okay. It's okay. That's okay. You're gonna have your hair like this, just like me. You too are gonna look crazy. But I don't think I look that crazy. I think it's a look. I think it's just different, you know? It's kind of futuristic. I can look into the future, yeah. Okay, so now that you look like a Oompa Loompa or something crazy off Horton Hears a Who, or like your great aunt's uncle's sister wife, I don't know. Now that you look like me, a plum fool, it's time to put your wig on. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. I really thought this wig wasn't gonna fit my big-headed self, which I'm super excited about, because I know y'all saw that big ponytail at the back of my head and y'all were like, no products. No products. So then you take these clips up here and you're just gonna clip them in your hair. So now I'm just gonna take these little things right here and snip them. Now that you still look like a Oompa Loompa, you're almost to BB status, honey. Like I said, one product in my hair for now, hopefully. Just gonna spray my hair with this product. And then I'm gonna brush my hair out. Next, I'm gonna do a middle part, just so I can section it off and flat iron the hair in a way that it's gonna train the hair. I'm gonna let you guys see me flat ironing my hair, and then I'll come to y'all after that. Okay guys, this is basically my hair flat ironed. Whoa, baby got length. You feel me? Baby got length. Y'all, this is so cute. Just so, I feel like this is so chic. And I thought the ends being thinning out at the bottom was gonna like cause me harm. Look, it gives it like a really natural look. Like it goes with the fact that it's a U-part. Thinning out in the ends, but the ends still being very nice and full and not like dry and dead really helps out with the hair, and I love that, you guys. My hair is black, so as far as blending goes, this blending is great for me. I can't say that naturally wise it'll be great for anybody's color, but if your hair looks anything like mine, it'll probably be great for you. So honestly, buying this wig off Amazon for the price that they offer, it's like really skeptical at first. How I would rate this wig, you guys, I would say it's definitely a buy. Probably be my go-to for wig breaks. I usually just throw on a hat and I have my little curly puff ponytail in the back, and if you see me, you see me. If you don't, just know I'm gonna run. And it's so nice because you can just run your fingers through it and there's no shedding. There's no shedding whatsoever. I would give this wig as my first U-part wig ever, you guys, a 10 out of 10. Honestly, this is amazing. Like, I'm not even trying to steer y'all wrong. Like, let go of the lace. Just let it go. I know everybody wants to be a baddie with no edges out and not to worry about your hair, but your forehead need that break, sis. Listen to me. If you've been thinking about it, this is the sign. This is your sign. Your edges need a break, and I got you. So that's basically all the specs about this U-part unit, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up on your way out. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers or watchers of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.